Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursing Bhars K. Today we will discuss about the most important MCQ for anatomy and physiology of integumentary system. Let's start. Which is the largest organ of the human body? Option A liver, option B brain, option C skin, option D heart. The answer is option C, skin. The skin is the largest organ of the body, covering about the 1.5 to 2 square meters in adults and accounting for nearly 16% of total body weight. So the answer is option C, skin. Next, the outermost layer of the skin is known as option A dermis, option B epidermis, option C hypodermis, option D subcutaneous layer. The answer is option B, epidermis. The epidermis is the thin and outer layer of the skin made of the stratified squamous epithelium that provides a protective barrier against environmental hazards. Next, the main cell type found in the epidermis is option A melanocytes, option B keratinocytes, option C Langerhans cells, option D Merkel cells. The answer is option B, keratinocytes, because keratinocytes produce keratin, a protein that helps waterproof and protect the skin and underlying the tissue. So the answer is option B, keratinocytes. Next, melanin is produced by which type of the cell? Option A keratinocytes, option B Langerhans cells, option C melanocytes, option D fibroblast. The answer is option C, melanocytes, because melanocytes located in the basal layer of the epidermis produce the melanin, the pigment responsible for the skin color and UV protection. Next, the dermis is primarily composed of option A epithelial tissue, option B connective tissue, option C adipose tissue, option D cartilage. The answer is option B, connective tissue, because the dermis contains dense irregular connective tissue, connective tissue that provides the strength and the elasticity of the skin. So the answer is option B. Next, the thickest layer of the skin is the option A epidermis, option B dermis, option C hypodermis, option D stratum corneum. The answer is option B, dermis. The dermis is the thicker than the epidermis and contains collagen and elastic fibers, giving the skin its flexibility and strength. Next, the hypodermis mainly consists of option A muscle tissues, option B fat and connective tissue, option D cartilage, option D blood vessels. The answer is option B, fat and the connective tissue, because the hypodermis or the subcutaneous layer insults the body and cushions internal organ through its adipose tissue. So it's adipose tissue. Next, which layer of the epidermis is responsible for continuous cell division? Option A, stratum basal. Option B, stratum corneum. Option C, stratum lucidum. Option D, stratum granulosum. The answer is option A, stratum basal, because the stratum basal contains the mitotically active cells that continuously divide to replace dead surface cell. Next, which of the following layers is present only in thick skin, palm and the sole? Option A, stratum corneum. Option B, stratum lucidum. Option C, stratum spinosum. Option D, stratum granulosum. The answer is option B, stratum lucidum. The stratum lucidum is a thin, clear layer found only in the thick skin, providing the extra protein and strength. Next, sweat glands helps in option A, vitamin D synthesis. Option B, body temperature regulation. Option C, fat storage. Option D, melanin production. The answer is option B, body temperature regulation, because sweat glands produce sweat which evaporates from the skin surface and cools the body throughout the heat loss. So the answer is option B. Next, the sebaceous glands secreted option A, sweat. Option B, sebum. Option C, wax. Option D, melanin. The answer is option B, sebum, because it is an oily substance that lubricates the skin and hair. So the answer is option B. Next, hair color is determined by the amount of option A, collagen. Option B, melanin. Option C, elastin. Option D, keratin. The answer is option B, melanin, because melanin pigments in the hair cortex determine hair color. Less melanin causes the lighter hair. So the answer is option B. Next, nails are composed primarily of option A, collagen. Option B, keratin. Option C, elastin. Option D, melanin. The answer is option B, keratin, because nails are made of hard keratin, a protein that protects fingertips and enhances the tactile ability. So the answer is option B. Next, which layer of the skin contains blood vessels and nerves? Option A, epidermis. Option B, dermis. Option C, stratum corneum. Option D, stratum basilar. The answer is option B, dermis. Option B is the correct answer, because the dermis houses blood vessels, nerve ending and glands that nourish and support the epidermis. So the answer is option B. Next, the function of Langerhans cells in the skin is option A, pigment production, option B, immune defense, option C, sensory protection, perception, option D, heat regulation. The answer is option B, immune defense, because it Langerhans cells are presenting immune cells, presenting immune cells that help to protect the body from pathogen. So the answer is option B, immune defense. Next, the sensory receptor for touch are called as Meissner's corpuscle, option B, Pacinian corpuscles, option C, Ruffini endings, option D, Merkel discs. The answer is option A, Meissner's corpuscles, because it detects the light touch and concentrated in sensitivity area. So the answer is option A. Next, which vitamin is synthesized by the skin upon exposure to sunlight? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin C, option C, vitamin D, option D, vitamin K. The answer is option C, vitamin D, because UV rays convert 7-dehydrocorticosterol in the skin to vitamin D3, essential for the calcium absorption. Next, goosebumps occur due to contraction of option A, sweat gland, option B, erector pili muscles, option C, dermal papillae, option D, sebaceous gland. The answer is option B, erector pili muscles, because these small smooth muscle attached to the hair follicles contract in cold or fear, causing hair to stand up. So the answer is option B. Next, the main function of melanin is to option A, produce sweat, option B, prove waterproofing, option C, protect against UV radiation, option D, store fat. The answer is option C, protect against UV radiation, because melanin absorbs UV rays and preventing DNA damage and the skin cancer. Next, which of the following glands is modified sweat gland found in the air? Option A, sebaceous gland, option B, ceruminous gland, option C, acarine gland, option D, apocrine gland. The answer is option B, ceruminous gland, because it produces the airwax that protects the air canal from the dust and the microbes. Next, the epidermis is derived from which embryonic layer? Option A, mesoderm, option B, ectoderm, option C, endoderm, option D, neuroectoderm. The answer is option B, ectoderm, because the epidermis originates from the ectodermal germ layer during the embryonic development. Next, The dermis develops from option A ectoderm, option B mesoderm, option C endoderm, option D neural crest. The answer is option B mesoderm, because the dermis arises from mesodermal tissue that forms the connective and vascular structure. Next, the pH of the skin is generally option A 3 to 4, option B 4.5 to 6.5, option C 6.5 to 8.0, option D 8.0 to 9.0. The answer is option B 4.5 to 6.5, because the skin slightly acidic pH protects against the bacterial growth and maintains the barrier function. Next, which type of sweat gland is involved in the emotional sweating? Option A eccrine, option B apocrine, option C sebaceous, option D ceromenous. The answer is option B apocrine, because apocrine glands found in the axilla and groin secrete the thicker fluid and are activated during the stress or the excitement. Next, which skin receptor detects the deep pressure and vibration? Option A Meissner's corpuscle, option B Pacinian corpuscle, option C Rufian ending, option D Merkel disc. The answer is option B Pacinian corpuscle, because these are deep dermal receptors sensitive to pressure and vibration stimuli. Next, the main function of the integumentary system is option A circulation, option B protection, option C digestion, option D excretion. The answer is option B protection, because the integumentary system acts as the physical barrier against injury, infection and dehydration. Next, which structure anchors the epidermis to the dermis? Option A dermal papillae, option B sebaceous gland, option C hair follicles, option D melanocytes. The answer is option A dermal papillae, because it interlocks with the epidermis and strengthening the connection and aiding the nutrient exchange. Next, which part of the nail is actively growing? Option A nail palette, option B nail bed, option C nail matrix, option D lunula. The answer is option C nail matrix. The nail matrix located beneath the cuticle contains cells that divided and form new nail tissue. Next, the layer responsible for waterproofing the skin is option A stratum spinosum, option B stratum granulosum, option C stratum lucidum, option D stratum basal. The answer is option B stratum granulosum, because cells in the stratum granulosum produce keratohyalin and lamellar granules, forming a water resistance barrier. So the answer is option B. Next, which pigment gives the skin a yellowish color? Option A melanin, option B keratin, option C hemoglobin, option D keratin. The answer is option B carotene, because carotene found in the carrots and leafy vegetables, accumulates in the skin and gives it to the yellow orange hue. So the answer is option B. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe.